Hi guys, it's me Ria. I really hope you're having a great time, are in good mood and health. So I have two good news to share with you today. But before I share that good news with you, let's get into the video. So it often happens after a certain time you spent with a person, be it 3 months, 7 months, 12 months, 24 months, 2 years, that person slowly starts changing and starts ignoring you. And you are completely left clueless as to what happened and why is the sudden change in his behavior or her behavior. And you start worrying, you start digging up like what happened. You try to get more close to the solution. Why is this happening? Only to come back with a heartbreak. So I got a mail from a guy, let's name him Doraemon. Okay, yes. So that Doraemon mailed me a similar scenario and it resonated. It resonated with our life because yes, it happens. It happens that after a certain time we are spent with a person, the person starts ignoring us, and the point is that we don't know the reason. The reason, there can be n number of reasons. The person has maybe moved on, the person doesn't like you anymore, he doesn't anything. So he asked me, why does this happen? So in this video we'll look upon why do people start ignoring us. The very first scenario that I'll mention here is being available for someone 24/7. When a person knows that you will be available just on one single call, the person will start taking you for granted. Your value will slowly start degrading and there will be nothing that you can do to help yourself. You will eventually feel heartless, you will feel broken, you will feel screwed up, you will feel frustrated, you will feel down because you gave your everything to that person, and in return what you're getting is not what you actually expected or you deserve. When you give love to someone, you expect a bit of love from the person also, but that's not what is happening here. And it's only because you're being available for the person 24/7. When you give much more than a relationship deserve, any relation, be it friends, be it your loved one, be it any relation, when you give more than a relationship deserves, you will get hurt more than you deserve. So just make this one funda of your life. Do not drain yourself in anything. Do not exhaust yourself in anything. Let the fresh air come in. Let yourself breathe. Take it easy. This can be one of the reasons that you are always available for that person and that person has started mistaking your presence. That person might have started taking you for granted or in a very light mode. Another reason why a person starts ignoring you may be that your vibes doesn't match. Your vibes match till a certain frequency, and after that, you both just started vibrating on a different frequency and your vibes doesn't match. It doesn't coincide. Maybe you are too high key for that person or you're too low key. But whatever it is, it's not the same. So maybe the person fails to understand what intensity you are in right now, and that can be one of the reasons why a person starts ignoring you, because the person's frequency you talk to and your frequency are not equalizing. And when a relation has actually lost its equilibrium, it's very, very tough to actually sustain in a relation. Third point that I'll mention is when you only talk about yourself. What are your dreams? What do you like? What do you want to do in your life? What do you want to achieve in your life? Where do you want to belong? Where do you see yourself in 20 years? And you don't entertain that person. If you do this, you are no more entertaining that person. And everybody wants to be entertained or want to be present in that gossip. But when it's only about you, the person starts feeling bored, and after a certain time it starts pinching and the person starts feeling that, oh, it's blabbering here. If you don't talk about their interests, their likes, their dislikes, if you fail to interact with the person will definitely try to move out from your zone and will try his or her level best to get out of this company. So it's better that you try to interact with the person if you really want a long-lasting relation. Fourth point I'll say is we must not always mistake someone's silence or someone's ignorance or someone's absence into something negative. It might be that they are going through some personal conundrums and problems and they don't want to share and they're not comfortable sharing it with you, and that's why they just want their personal space and they want some alone time, some me time, and it's okay because every one of us need that and we must have that. It's not that just we need that, we must have some alone time, some me time also, because it's a recharge button. And if we fail to do that, it's somewhere or the other we are lacking that self-love within us. So it's always better that we start loving ourselves more, we start spending time with ourselves more. So if a person starts ignoring you, it may be that there are some personal problems which a person is not comfortable sharing it with you. So it's not always that a person wants to leave you and go. The person you're talking to might just need some personal space. The last point that I'll mention is you must be a good listener. If you're not a good listener and you continuously just blabber about your own self, the person you're talking to will definitely feel irritated and bored, and he or she will lose his or her temperament and the scenario will be worse. So just be a good listener, and it's always said that you grow more in a relation when you are a patient listener, when you are a good listener, because every one of us just love this part of life when we know deep inside that this is the person who will listen to us. So when you start listening to a person, when you start listening to his high, lows, every if and buts, that person will want to talk to you even more. But if you don't listen to that person and you continuously talk about your own self, your problems, your therapies of life, nobody is going to listen to you. So that was it, guys. Packing up. In the next video, we'll be looking upon how to deal with someone who has started ignoring us for no reason. Finally comes the time of some good news. So if you're here, please make sure that you comment this emoji so that I know that you watched the video till the end, and it means a lot to me. So the first good news is that this channel, Smile with Riya, has completed 1000 subscribers, and I'm so happy that I'm not jumping right now, but I really jumped, and I was in airs when I actually saw that, oh my god, this channel has actually completed 1000 people. And I have never ever in my life seen 1000 people together. I would love to meet you all. I wish one day we really have a get together, which is really very impossible, which looks very impossible. But thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much for all those 1000 people who joined me, who actually believed in me, who supports me. So thank you so much, it means a lot. Second good news is that I finally cleared my third year dental university paper, and officially I'm in 4th year now. Undoubtedly there will be celebration for both the achievements, but not this month. Celebration can be delayed, but undoubtedly there will be celebration for both these achievements, and I'm super thankful to all of you. Just I don't know, like, thank you. I never ever believed in my life that I'll be able to collect a community of 1000 people, though it's a very small number, but for me it is an achievement. And no matter how many times I say this, thank you. I really mean it. Thank you. It makes me feel so happy. So that was it. I really hope you're having a great time. Even you're smiling, your family's smiling, you're having all the butterflies in your stomach. And I'll see you really soon. Until we meet next time, take care. Bye-bye.